I don't know what I did to myself. I'ma feel fool. I feel fool bad. So I did something. I kind of moved from Jamaica 15 hours across the world. I moved to Africa. Guys, I moved to South Africa. I'm in South Africa. I posted on my Instagram, I moved to Africa, and they're like, Africa is a continent. I'm like, yeah, I know it's a continent. I just wasn't ready to say where it was. I do have a reason as to why I didn't feel ready. I used to say things to give reasons for things that I do, and the truth is a lot of the things that I do don't have reasons. You know, I'm a child of God, and God told me to move, so I moved. It's not man let me move. I'm not moving from man, I'm not moving to man. Believe it or not, my mother asked me that, like, I might make you move. And I was like, what are you talking about? Do you know me to be that kind of person? So yeah, there's no reason, like, nothing dramatic, right? I'm gonna take you guys along with me on the journey. You know, I'm a horrible vlogger, but I really did try, okay? It all happened already, which is why I'm talking in past tense. It all happened already. I can tell you, I really did try to give you the best content that I could. But y'all know I hate attention. Y'all know I don't like attention. Like me, this is me in public vlogging. It's horrible, but I tried. I hope you enjoy. Listen, to say that a lot is happening right now would be such an understatement. First of all, I don't know who told me to take up myself, but how I go into South Africa. Something just randomly occurred to me, and you need to research, like, what are the requirements. By the way, my tickets are already booked. Okay, they're already booked. I leave in like a few days. Anna, did you research the requirements to enter South Africa? No, I did not. So something in me tell me, all right, time to research it now. So I research it and tell me why the people I'm telling me say I need to have vaccine. I need to have vaccine. I'm like, all right, cool. I can go get the vaccine, right? I can go get it next week. No, the vaccine have to be in your system for like 10 days or 14 days or something before you land in the country. So I'm there like, oh my god, I don't have 14 days. Like, I'm leaving soon. So I call around and I'm like, hey, do you do vaccine, like this yellow fever vaccine? And the people I'm telling me says only 2 places in Jamaica where the yellow fever vaccine, one in Kingston and one in Montego Bay. So I'm like, okay, so I call the people and I was like, hey, I need a vaccine. Start. They said to me, well, we only do it on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I'm like, that's perfect. Today is Thursday. Let's get it done now. She's like, by the way, it's now 2:30. And she's like, well, I'm so sorry, but we don't have no more vial, or the nurse lock up the vial or something. I don't know, but you have to come back. You have to come back next week, Tuesday. So I was like, miss, I can't come back next week, Tuesday, because that's going to be like not in my system by the time I land. So I'm like, please, miss, please. And then she said she can't help me hang up the phone. So now me turn around and me up. And then me lick over this. See there? Lick over that. It broke. So now I'm just here like, what am I going to do with my life? Like, why is my life like this? Why is my life like this? And then the lady called me back. She called me back. And she's like, where are you located? So I'm like, I'm in Kingston, but I can't come now. Like, right now. She's like, all right, come. No. We'll lock at 3. It is now 2. I need a clock. It's like 2, probably like 2:40 right now, okay? And this is me vlogging because I have to tell you guys, I have to show you guys my excitement. Anyway, so I'm gonna put on some clothes. I have no time to dress up, but my bathe and lotion on our album from this month. My bathe and lotion on our album every morning, so I do that already. So, oh crap, I have to take off my underpants. So, I soon come back. So I'm ready-ish. Guys, if you listen to my road, I'm look so, just don't come with no excitement, right? Don't say, Lana says she look like that. Remember, say, I'm in a rush. I'm got to go right now, right? Because the lady's supposed to say, why the girl is so long? Anyway, we're gonna just go about business. Okay? Come back from the joke. Man, I like joke. The lady said, I'm gonna get flu now. I'm gonna like sick. I'm rarely ever sick. I'm just do like say mega sick now. But anyway, I'm gonna buy Advil, Panadol and something there. And now I just wait to get sick. I'm just so sad. I broke my vase. You know how long it took me to find a vase there? I'm a broke it. Anyway, I'm just checking in. I have a fever now, and I just feel like I'm going to get sick. I don't know how to explain it. Y'all know what I mean. Like, I just feel like I'm about to be sick. So, I have a headache. So yeah, now I'm just here. I don't know what I did to myself. I'ma feel fool. I feel fool bad. Imagine if I would do all of this and I'm still end up not get accepted in South Africa. But I feel fooler, like way fooler. Anyway, I'm not really up to it. So if I feel like drastically different later, I'll come back and tell you guys. Yay. I ended up recovering just fine, and then realized it's a hot girl season time because I'm about to leave my hairstylist for God knows how long. So I had to come give her a visit. You know, I have to sit on the chair like me's a good girl, proper good girl. And here I was just wondering, what the hell am I doing? What am I doing? It is now 7 p.m. I have a flight early tomorrow, and I still have not packed my belongings. I'm currently in my bedroom. This is where I do my makeup, by the way. I just had dinner because today's been crazy. But I'm still here. I haven't packed. And right now I'm here doing work. It's 7 p.m. Right, this is the truth, right? The truth is that it's kind of sinking in. I'm trying to give you guys like good footage because I'm a vlogger now. Anyway, it's kind of sinking in now that I'm about to leave. Like, I'm packing up my stuff to leave again. And I don't know how I feel about it this time around. So, but it's too late now because my flights are all booked. My apartment is set. So I guess I just have to go. But as I said, I'm just finishing up some work and then I'm going to go pack. I need to throw this away. I just finished just a while ago, but yeah. All right, I'm going back to go watch Queen of the South again. This is my 500th. That's the 500th time I'm watching it. It's now 8 o'clock. Not only have I drawn sheets. Yeah, so don't watch the setup, okay? I haven't moved from here. I just finished my work. I'm gonna just catch up my foot by the bed, draw a sheet. Don't ask me what my work chair doing in here. Guys, it's a whole mess. Okay? None of this don't make no sense. But I'm watching this show, even though we don't pack yet. It is now 9 p.m. And not only have I not packed, I've created more of a disaster, more of a mess. But I feel like I'm doing all right. Because at least, let me show you what I did. I'm picking out some shoes to take with me. So I'm trying them on, okay? I'm trying them on to see which one will make the cut. This is my low heel black. These are my black sandals. Like, I wear these when, like, you know, when you go into the grocery store, for example. You know, when you're not trying to be hot, that's when I wear these. And then I have on my other foot, I have my pink, not trying to be hot heels too. If I could just get it off. One moment. I'm trying, okay? Okay, got it. So these are my other heels. Oh, naughty. My pink heels. Yay. So let's see which. I think I'll just take both of them with me, but can you tell I'm not used to recording because camera always a chop off my head. But here I am. Guys, change of plans. So I've decided to come out here. This is where I do my coaching sessions and my content and stuff. It's like my content area. But let me tell you, I had the best idea. You see how that table is like, why does it look so? It looks small on camera, but it's big, right? I figured I could just put my suitcase on top of that. Tell me in the comment section below, are you like me where suitcases do not go on beds that you're sleeping on? Okay? because I'm a germaphobe, so it's a no for me. I figured I need to come out of the bedroom because it's too cozy in there and I'm not focusing and I need to go to bed. So I'm gonna just take off all of these things. I was putting back the shoes in the boxes, but I'm going to take them back out and I can carry those with me. But I'm deciding that I'm gonna just like move all of that and I'm gonna pack right there. Okay. Wait. This is my club move, okay? Wait, I practiced it. Let's put back the hair. If you can do that and beat me. Do that and beat me. Move your ear out of your face without touch it. Do that and beat. Okay, so this is what I meant. I cleared off my table and I added my luggage on the table. But let me show. I finished assembling all of my clothes. Let me tell you what I like to do. I like to lay out all of my clothes for the, if I'm staying for a month, all of my clothes for a month. If I'm staying for 2 weeks, all my clothes for 2 weeks. If I'm staying for a month, if I'm staying for more than a month, I usually just pack for a month. And then the following month, I just repeat my clothes. But let me show you what I mean by I lay it out. I lay it out for 2 reasons. First, I get to pack exactly what I need. And I get to plan my outfits ahead of time. And the second thing is, in case they lose my luggage, I'm able to see what I had packed in the luggage for when I'm submitting a claim for it. So let me show you guys the clothes I laid out. So this is my living room. This is my couch. I have a big ass couch that goes all the way that way. So what I do is I lay out all of my clothes, all of my outfits for the different days. I have an Excel that has all of my outfits in it. So, oh, I need to do this slower so I can see exactly what I am packing, so I can detail it if something goes wrong. Nothing has ever gone wrong for me in the time I've been traveling. I hope that remains to be the case. This is my work clothes. I just work in sweaters, in sweatshirts. These are my going out clothes, my casual clothes, my errands clothes. I need to get all of those clothes in this part alone. This part, I put all of my clothes, and this part, I put all of my work stuff, like my equipment, and my body stuff, face stuff, etc. So, guys, I'm so tired. Oh, child. All right, I just unpacked. It's 10 p.m. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna show. First of all, my luggage it tear because I have too much things tonight, and I don't know how this is gonna go because I know myself and I know that I go end up buy clothes. So I don't know when I go with this elevator suitcase here. But you know what happened? The last time I was in Colombia for like long, I ended up having to buy a whole other suitcase. Because guys, if you don't know, I'm obsessed with clothes. I'm obsessed with fashion, so probably that's what's gonna happen now. But may I go through it one more time and see if I can find anything to leave. Yeah. All right, let me show you. I mash up this luggage, it mash up. But guys, I got it to zip. And I got to pack stuff in here and I have my carry-on. So that's it. I just finished packing and it is now 10:30 p.m. So I can't even focus. I showered and all that, so it's time to go to bed. I just need to go and brush my teeth and put on this thing, what's it called? CeraVe healing ointment. I put it on my skin. I already did my skincare routine, so now I just need to put the ointment on, brush my teeth, put the ointment on, and I'm done. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. It's now the morning and we have a travel day. Listen to me, you need to come back for part 2 because trust me when I tell you, it was lit. I met 2 US millionaires and a billionaire, and I just don't know how this is my life. I don't know how this is my life. I met a woman she motivated me like crazy. Oh my goodness. I think she's a US millionaire. She may be a US billionaire, but anyway, met with her and we had such a great time. This is me in the lounge at Kingston. In Kingston, me. I got some coffee. But anyway, I said to myself, I need to close out this vlog on a vloggy note, right? Watch vlogger. Hey, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.